For us. How is everything looking, Carol? Hey there.
Well, yesterday it was pretty wet and windy across many parts, wasn't it, Joanna?
Yeah.
I want to show you some pictures actually that some of our weather watchers sent in from yesterday. Now the first one is of South Yorkshire. We had some very strong winds, so much so that some high-sided vehicles actually blew over, as you can see here. Yeah, and we're not finished with this unsettled weather yet, but we've got more. This one showing some large waves crashing in across South Wales, and we've got one from North Wales showing all the, again, rain coming down, the waves crashing in as well. Look at that proby car there getting absolutely drenched. And then as we keep going through them and moving up through the country, you can see too, it was a similar story as we went into the northwest of England, Lancashire.
Can't imagine how someone actually took that picture.
I know, where were they standing? They must have got drenched. And then another one as well, just a little bit further north into Cumbria, where of course there's an area of concern for the Environment Agency because it's sensitive to a lot of rain. So this one again coming in from Coniston with a lot of rain around. Today's forecast is similar-ish in that it's pretty wet and it's pretty windy. So this morning, for example, we've had some minor flooding on the A75 in Dumfries and Galloway, which I believe is passable with care. So we've got more of this to come, not just today, but through the next few days it remains unsettled. But do you prefer it when it's mild at this time of the year, or do you like a nice cold blast?
I like it when it's crisp and clear.
Well, whatever you said, you'd be in luck, because look at this temperature profile I'm going to show you. See the blues coming in, being replaced by the milder yellows, then being replaced by the colder blues, and then we see some yellows coming in as well as we head into the weekend. So the weather is all over the shop at the moment. It's going to be cold, it's going to be mild, it's going to be cold, it's going to be mild, it's going to be wet, it's going to be windy, and we'll see some sunshine amidst all of that. So if I show you what it's going to be like today, but it's always nice to see you.
See you later. Thank you.
So today what we have is a wet and windy start to the day, but it will brighten up later. When I say brighten up, there will be some sunshine around, but there will also be some showers, and some of the showers will be wintry in nature, mostly in the hills of Scotland. So we've had a lot of rain this morning already, coming in across Scotland, coming in across Northern Ireland and Northern England. Some of that has been particularly heavy, and we've had some rain across the south, and we've got a plethora of showers around too. Amidst all of this, it's windy. Now the strongest winds are going to transfer southwards through the course of the day with the rain. Behind it, we see brighter conditions, some sunshine, some showers, and still wintry in the hills of Scotland. We've had some of that in the hills of Northern Ireland. And some of the heavier bursts, you could see it at low levels, but it will be fairly transient. So into the afternoon for southwest England, you can expect a wee bit of sunshine, variable amounts of cloud, and it's the same as we drift over in the direction of the Isle of Wight. But really, for the rest of southern counties towards Kent, we've got more cloud and the remnants of this morning's rain. For East Anglia into the Midlands, into northern England, again, it's mixed fortunes. We've got sunshine and some showers and bright spells. Some of the showers could be quite beefy in nature. And then we run into the showers in Scotland. Again, wintry in the hills, but in some of the heavier ones, down to lower levels. Scotland and Northern Ireland sharing that theme. Some of the heavier showers, you could see a wee bit of wintriness at lower levels, but in between it will be dry and bright. And for Wales, well, after this morning's rain, again, we will be left with some showers. Now, through the evening and overnight, that rain completely clears away. The skies also clear, and we are looking at a widespread frost. Not just in rural areas, we could see some of that in the towns and cities as well. So you could well be scraping your car first thing. We also have showers across Scotland and Northern Ireland, still wintry with height. That's how we start tomorrow. But for England and for Wales, it will be a beautiful start to the day tomorrow with a lot of sunshine around. However, through the day, our next set of Atlantic systems come in from the north and the west, introducing rain across Scotland and Northern Ireland. And just ahead of that, you'll notice the cloud building again with those showers. So we hang on to the brightest skies across southern and eastern counties of England with some sunshine. Then as we head on into Friday, again, we've got an array of weather fronts coming in from the Atlantic. They're going to produce some rain, some of it in sensitive areas, again, where we don't want it. But look at the isobars. Wherever you are in the UK, it's going to be windy, particularly first thing in the morning, where some of us will experience gales, but we'd have wind speeds gusting at 80 miles an hour across Shetland.